Hello everyone and welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're showing you the Titan Series GP2000 Jump Starter. So this is great for many things, and hey, just ask my parents. They were out on the town, vehicle, let them sit, and they used one of these to actually jump start their vehicle because the battery was dead. So a similar one to this actually saved their day. And that's why I always have one in every vehicle. Alright guys, so this is it. Now this one is actually a little longer than most, which is actually great because it probably is a much more powerful power bank. So let's go ahead and see. Starting current 500 amps, 3 seconds, 400 amps into 5 seconds. Peak current 2000 amps. Well, that's really good. So most vehicles this should be able to jump start. Yeah, overall pretty nice looking. So if you press here, you got your power indicator level. It shows you how much battery is left. You have a flashlight here. You can charge stuff with a Type-C. You can charge stuff with a USB. So let's see, if you press and hold, it turns on the flashlight. Very bright flashlight. Press it again for a flash. Press it again for a slow flash. Press it again to turn it off. So for using this, they give you a charger right here. You get a 12-volt extension. They give you your charging cable right there. And here's your alligator clamps. So you got copper surrounded by plastic. Got your positive and negative. You have your device right here. Now what you're going to do is you are going to connect this to, let's see, off to the side here. So let's show you how to do that. So guys, when you plug this in just like this, now you're good to go. You're gonna go and connect this to the red positive side of your battery, connect to this to the black negative side of your battery. Once you do that, you then go and you jump your vehicle and turn your vehicle. Make sure you definitely check out your user manual. For this kind of stuff, I recommend everyone reading all about it. That way you learn what you can do, what you can, you know, if a battery's dead and so forth. That way you just know. So that's my recommendation. Guys, all you do is you go ahead and you connect it into your port, which is going to be right here, and then go ahead and connect it onto your battery and then go ahead and give it a jump. If your battery is dead, press the boost button and that will give you an extra boost to jump a dead battery. Since ours is not completely dead, let's go ahead and jump it. All right, so make sure positive is on positive and negative is on negative. And then go ahead and put your key in the ignition and give it a nice little start. And there we go. That's all you got to do, guys.